Sorry. Hey y'all, so I am at the park with Aidan, and before we came here we went to, what's up? We went to the library and I picked up I had to do a reservation for this book. It says A Taste of Haiti. I hope y'all can see it. Or while I do this, A Taste of Haiti. So I'm gonna go through it and let y'all know how that goes. Say hi, Aidan.
Hi.
He is eating the bread that we were supposed to give to the ducks because he said that they were too rough, which is mostly the geese. So good thing it's good bread and not nasty old stale bread. So he's enjoying it. As you can see, he's crossed his leg. Alright, so that's about it, y'all. Talk to you good people later. Peace.